Hi guys, welcome to Hafiz and Henry channel. So today we're gonna share to you our experience test drive Tesla in Pavilion Damansara Heights,
where innovation meets luxury. Join us to explore the sleek design and cutting-edge technology of the Tesla Model Y.
Let's dive into what makes the Model Y one of the most sought-after electric SUVs.
Inside, you will find the minimalist interior with a focus on comfort and technology. The all-glass roof provides a spacious and airy feel, perfect for enjoying the view above.
This innovative roof is composed of layers of acoustic glass, which not only ensure a quiet ride, but also offer protection from glare, heat, and harmful of UV rays.
Experience the future of driving comfort with Tesla Model Y seat, where innovative design meets unparalleled luxury.
While we are here, we also take a look for the Tesla Model 3.
In this video, I will show you on how to open Tesla Model 3 door. So not pressing here, we just press on the left area. Yeah, and we can open the car now. For the Tesla Model 3, the difference with the steering wheel is written Tesla word, not the logo.
Now they have the promotion, every purchase of any Tesla car, you will get free Tesla home charging.
TNC apply. Let's get into the car and we try the feature of mobile wireless charging. This is effortless charging anywhere you go. Experience the future of convenience with the Tesla wireless phone charging. So just simply drop your phone and drive. It's very simple.
Power up your journey, stay connected and fully charged with Tesla in-car wireless charging pad, designed for life and on the move. And we are off. The Model Y acceleration is smooth and instantaneous thanks to its electric powertrain. Driving through Damansara Heights, the Model Y handles beautifully with precise steering and regenerative braking.
Breathe easy with the advanced HEPA air filtration system, ensuring a clean and healthy environment inside the cabin. The Model Y is not just about performance, it's also incredibly practical with an ample space for passenger and cargo.
As our test drive comes to an end, it's clear that the Model Y is a no-compromise electric SUV. Back at the Pavilion, we reflect on the seamless integration of luxury, performance, and sustainability that Tesla offers.
And here's some funny feature of Tesla.
Ada yang main. Mungkin tukar itu suara pun. You can try to press around.
So much fun.
It's different part 没有 sound 啦。
You know why? I think because the US people, they like
Humorous.
yeah.
That's not very humorous.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so this is a boom box. Okay. 我个 window 啊，我的 just quiet 一打过来 feel. Okay, you try horn. 跟 kuat sikit.
Oh. Okay.
It's more fun lah. Okay.